Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can increase OneDrive storage. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on my desktop. So the first thing that you need to do guys is open File Explorer. If you don't find this right here in your desktop or right here as you can see guys in your taskbar, go ahead and open the Start menu and then search for File Explorer. Once you find it, go ahead and click on Open. And then here in the left, you're going to find all of the sections. Right here, you're going to find Home, Gallery, and here you're going to find OneDrive. Go ahead and right click on OneDrive. And then here, as you can see guys in the bottom, you're going to find these options. Always keep on this device, free up space, and right here, you're going to find OneDrive. Go ahead and click on OneDrive. And then right here, you're going to find View Online, Settings, and here you're going to find Folder Color. Go ahead and click on View Online, and then this will take you to this page on the web. Here in the left, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of the sections. Here you're going to find My Files, Recent, Photos, Shared, and here you're going to find Recycle Bin. And right here in the bottom, you're going to find your storage. Right here, you're going to find how much you used and how much you have left of your storage. And here, as you can see guys, you're going to find the option to buy storage, get storage for all your files and photos. So basically guys, if you want to increase your storage, you need to buy it. Click on buy storage, and then this will take you to this page. So right here, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of the available plans. Here you're going to find the basic plan, personal plan, and lastly, the family plan. So basically guys, the basic plan has 100 gigabytes of secure cloud storage. The personal plan has 1 terabyte of secure cloud storage. And lastly, the family plan has 6 terabytes of secure cloud storage. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.